This is a video for how to use the load simulator. To use it, you make sure you have your DC connected. Positive and negative are labeled. And then that your AC plug is plugged into an outlet. And then to run the program, all you have to do is turn on the power strip, and you'll see the lights go on the Pi. Close it up, and it'll take a few minutes for the Pi to boot up, but it should eventually start to run on its own. And there it goes. It'll be set at default settings of increments of 15 minutes per data for a total of 672 data points. And if you want to change the data on the flash drive, just open it back up, turn off the Raspberry Pi, unplug the flash drive, and you can put it in your desktop and change the data following the format that's already on the text file. And if you ever want to remove the Pi to change the code, it's velcroed down, and you just unplug the GPIO breakout board and hook it up to a 5-volt power supply. This video will show you how to get to and change the code on the Raspberry Pi for the load simulator. It'll first just boot up and bring you straight to the desktop of the Pi. And then it will automatically step through the program and you can just exit out of that. Now to get to the program, you're going to go to File Manager, and right here in Home/Pi, it's dataread.py, and you can open it in the text editor and make your edits. Some of the important parts of the code are this line right here, which is a delay when it starts up so that the Raspberry Pi has enough time to read that the flash drive is attached, and then it will begin to run the code. Without this, an error will pop up saying that it can't retrieve the data, so you want to keep that in there. And then these are the different pins we're using for the outputs. This is where you would put the name of the flash drive if you decide to change the flash drive, and the file that you're reading from. Here is the 4P in range. This is basically the total number of data points you have in that data file on the flash drive. So if you want to change it to every 15 minutes, then you would change this number right here to how many data points you have in that file for 15-minute increments. And then down here is the actual time delay in seconds. So right now you can see it's a delay of 1 second. So if you wanted to do for every hour, it would be 3,600. And that's basically the most important parts of the program.